Greetings, friends. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most needed electrical tasks at home, junction box connection. This might sound complex, but we'll break it down step by step. Whether you're extending a socket or adding a lamp, junction box connection is a crucial skill. We'll cover everything from the necessary materials to the proper safety precautions. So let's get started. Stay tuned to learn how to connect a junction box safely and efficiently. But before we begin, remember the golden rule. Turn off the electricity from the panel. Lower your life insurance and make sure there's no electricity with a pencil test. Safety isn't an option, it's a must. You see, dealing with electricity is no child's play. An accident can have severe consequences. Once you're sure there's no electricity, you're ready to start. The materials we need are junction box, preferably high fire class, 1.5 or 2.5 millimeter cross-sectional installation cable, prefer 1.5 for lighting, 2.5 for sockets, Wago terminal block or classic gland, cable stripper, and a screwdriver. With these materials at hand, we can start the process. First, we strip about 3 to 4 centimeters of the outer sheath of our cable. There are 3 color cables coming out from inside: phase, which is either brown or black, neutral, which is blue, and earth, which is yellow-green. We also strip about 1 centimeter of the ends of the inner wires. This is crucial for ensuring a proper connection. With our wires prepared, we can start the connection. Now the logic is, we will connect the incoming phase to the outgoing phase. For the healthiest connection today, we use Wago terminals. We attach all brown phase cables to one Wago, all blue neutral cables to another Wago. Earth lines are also interconnected. Let's delve deeper into the process. Firstly, make sure you have stripped the outer sheath of your cable to reveal the 3 different colored wires. You should have a brown wire for the phase, a blue wire for the neutral, and a yellow-green wire for the earth. Next, we connect the phase wires. Take the brown wire from the incoming cable and the brown wire from the outgoing cable. Insert each wire into its own port on a Wago terminal. The same process applies for the neutral and earth wires. Remember, it's crucial to keep the connections separate: brown to brown, blue to blue, and yellow-green to yellow-green. Wago terminals are a fantastic tool for this job. They're safe, reliable, and make the process a breeze. Simply lift the orange lever, insert the stripped wire end, and snap the lever back down. Voila, a secure connection. If you're using a traditional terminal block, the process is slightly different. You'll need to bend the stripped wire end into a U shape and secure it under the screw. Make sure it's tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the wire. With all the wires connected, it's time to neatly arrange them inside the junction box. This may seem like a minor detail, but it's essential for safety and functionality. The wires should lie flat and not be under any strain when the box is closed. And there we have it. Our junction box is correctly wired and ready to go. Remember, this process requires a good understanding of electrical work. If you're not confident, always reach out to a professional. With the wires correctly connected, we can close the junction box. After making the connections, neatly place the cables inside the junction box. The cover should not squeeze. Close the cover, screw it. Now let's go to the panel and turn on the fuse. It's crucial to ensure the junction box is secure and not causing any strain on the cables. This is your safety net, while the fuse is your fail-safe. Now, the moment of truth. With the fuse back on, the circuit is live. We're going to test our connection. If you've followed along carefully, you should have a successful connection. If not, don't be disheartened. It's always better to try and learn than to not try at all. Remember, safety is paramount, and if you're unsure, consult a professional. And there you have it. Our light is on. The connection is successful. Pat yourself on the back. You've just learned a valuable skill that not only saves you time, but also money. Remember, electrical work is risky. If you're not sure, always consult a professional. We've explored the junction box connection process, from stripping and preparing the wires to making secure connections and testing. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Ken Ayed.